Hey, what's going on, guys? In this video we are going to see how to create JCheckBox. These are the things you have to import before you do this one. Import java.awt.asterisk and then import java.awt event.asterisk and then import javax.swing.asterisk. These three things, okay? And then go to the class, and also you make sure you did the inheritance right here. GUI extends to JFrame. And after that we are going to give a title. Before that I'm going to create some private variables. Private jtext field and then tf and then private JCheckBox checkbox, and I'm going to put bold box. It's going to take 2 tutorials, you will see this one in action in my next video, so bear with me. This one just a beginning coding. And then the next one is private JCheckBox italic box, and then the next one is I'm going to create a method called public GUI bracket, and inside the body I'm going to type super. This is our title, super, and then the title, and the next thing is set layout, that is new flow layout, and then tf is equal to new JText field, here I'm going to type this is a sentence, and I'm gonna give it 20 for this, 20. And the next thing is we are gonna put tf.set font, and inside the bracket new font, and I'm gonna set it serif, and then here I put font.plain, okay, and then I set this one to 14, so comma 14 after this. And the next thing is add tf, and we have just a few more coding. The next thing is bold box is equal to new checkbox, and I set this one as bold, semicolon, and the next thing is italic box, and that is equal to new JCheckBox italic, and the next thing is add bold box, and then add italic box, and here I'm going to create an object for the class, but the class I didn't even create it yet, so it's going to give an error message. first, but after we class this one, okay, here I shouldn't put a space. After we clear the class, is gonna go away. Now first the class name is handler class, and I'm going to name it as handler. That is equal to new handler class. Now we have created an object for a class we didn't even create it yet. We are going to create it later. Now the next thing is bold box dot add item listener that is handler. Okay, I should put a S here. Handler, and the next thing is italic box dot add item listener handler. Okay, now finally the last one is we are going to type close the curly bracket right here, and I'm going to type private handler class implements item listener. Okay, now we are done with this JButton first part. I'm going to create the second part in my next video. In that one you will see everything in action. Okay, now see you guys later. See you guys on my next video. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. See you in